number 56, my ziricote guitar is coming along really nicely. The bracing for the soundboard and the bracing for the back has been completed and voiced. And I've attached the plates, thus closing the soundbox. It's always a great moment in the build after you've closed the soundbox and you remove the body from the mold and route away the excess trim. It's a little bit like you're unwrapping a Christmas present, except you're doing it with a laminate router. FYI, I don't recommend unwrapping actual Christmas presents this way. Up until this point, I don't get to see how the back and sides pair up with each other aesthetically, because the mold covers the sides completely. If this was a very homogeneous looking back and side set, like say an unfigured mahogany back and side set, then it's going to look pretty good no matter how it lines up. For this particularly unique set of ziricote, however, the layout of everything was critical. The book match of the back, the meeting of the two sides at the end seam, the exact locations of the waist bends and the cutaway bend, the idea being to have a seamless flow when your eye travels around the box. Ordinarily, on a plain-looking set, you can get away with the lining up of things being just a little bit off here or there. You would just lay it out and trim off the excess, and nobody would be the wiser. However, in this case, because of the obvious contrast between the sapwood sections and the heartwood sections, any little bit of lack of symmetry or odd transitions between sections would just jump out at you aesthetically. So it still looks a little off without all the binding and purfling to frame the plates and the end seam and the cutaway section, and so that's what I'll be working on next. If you learned something here, please give this video a like and subscribe so you can be notified when I release a new DIY guitar making video every Friday. And if you want to really learn more, take one of my structured online courses at ericschaferguitars.com or register for a hands-on guitar building workshop here with me in Burnville, Pennsylvania.